Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I'm going to show you how to change or add logo on your Shopify online store. Also, you're going to learn how to add favicon. You can see that right now in my website, no favicon. This is very important for any business, especially who is very careful to build their brand value. So here you are not going to learn only the how to change logo. You are also going to learn how to add favicon and also how to create the favicon. And of course, this video is only for very beginner who just started their online business with Shopify and wanted to make their website or design their website by themselves like you without hiring any developer, without any coding skill. Also, if you are very beginner and wanted to become a Shopify developer, want to learn how to make, design, customize Shopify online store to make money as a Shopify expert from freelancing marketplace like Upwork.com or Fiverr.com or Freelancer.com, then these tutorials also will be very helpful for you. So let's get started. Here is my Shopify online store. You can see that I'm right now on my online store homepage, and I have added a lot of things using custom code and already shared all the ready code snippet in my website with each video. So if you need any custom code or any custom section, then you can check out my YouTube channel. You will find a lot of video guideline relevant Shopify store design, customize, development. Okay, so now we are going to learn how we can change it. First of all, I'm going to my Shopify admin panel. Here is my Shopify admin panel. Then you have to click on the online store. Very simple and easy process. Okay, then click on the customize. Then click on this gear icon. This is the theme settings icon. So click on it. And when you click on it, you can see that there are a lot of theme options or settings, and at the top here is the logo. So click on the logo, and now you can change the logo. For example, click on here, and before that I'm going to download any logo from Google. Just show you the example. For that I'm going to download a logo. So search logo, click on the image, and simply, for example, this is just for an example, I'm going to open this one. Yes, or open this one. It looks good, and download it or make a screenshot. Just show you the process. So for example, think this is our logo, or suppose this is our logo. I'm going to add custom logo. Okay, and here I'm going to change the logo right now. So click on here, select from library. If you already have uploaded the logo on your library on the content section, then you can select it, or explore free image. We don't use it for logo, or remove. So click on the select from library. Then you have select from previous uploaded logo or upload anyone. Just click on it. Then search logo, white logo, yes, custom logo. Select this one. Okay, done. Very simple process. Anyone draw this without any coding skill. You see, we have added the logo. Then we can also increase the logo height. For example, width or height. Just wait a little bit time. You see, and click on the save. And now we can add favicon to change this default icon. So select this one. Okay, now select the logo. Done. But we must have to add individual but we must have to add individual favicon for favicon. So click on it to save it, and now reload. You will see the different. Wait a little bit time, you see, but the best way is to make it a favicon. Type favicon. Okay, now we are going to add favicon. Change from library, then search favicon. Okay, done. And now if I click on here, you can see the nice favicon in here. This also known as a web icon or website icon. Look here very carefully on my mouse. Wow, you see. Now you have a question how you can create favicon. There are a lot of tools on online. You can easily create favicon. Just search on Google free favicon generator online. Then you will find a lot of website from where you can generate free favicon and download. Let me show you few from the search result. Okay, wait a little bit time. So here you can see that you can create image favicon from PNG to ICO text favicon, also emoji favicon. You can also create favicon from here and from here, but I recommend this one, favicon.io. This one I recommend because I use this one for my client website. So I hope you understand everything on this video, how you can change the logo, how to add favicon, also how to create favicon. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.